Hey guys, so today we're doing my realistic morning routine. So yep, this is how I sleep, and I wake up at around 7 to 8 ish, in between 7 to 8, so sometimes 7 o'clock or 8. The first thing I do is set my hair because I wake up like that, like literally I woke up like this. And after I put my hair to a bun, which is completely a mess, I go on to Instagram, I do a little bit of social networking, I check my messages and mails and few of them while I'm on bed. So this is me checking a little bit of Instagram and stuff, basically social media in the morning. After I'm done surfing through internet, I am just gonna get up and open this beautiful window where I'm getting super good sunlight, and I'll make my bed next and get out of the room as soon as possible. Then I'm gonna go brush and also bath and come back, and it's almost 9 o'clock then. So after I come out of the shower, I go to this Jane mirror and I open my pouch which has a lot of skincare. And I just do my skincare stuff. I apply this Mama Earth's day cream, of course. I am loving them, both of them, they're so good. And I take pumps and apply it all over. And don't forget your neck. And then I apply this eye cream. I'm gonna put all of these links in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Then I'm gonna use a Lash Light sunscreen. Again, don't forget your neck. Then a lip balm. Actually, I open it like that. Because it doesn't really come out normally. Then I'm gonna put everything back in my pouch, and I basically put this pouch in my bag whenever I need my skincare, and not really all of them but some of them. Later I'm gonna use my CKBE, which is a men's perfume. I'm gonna use that on me. I'm gonna set the whole stuff, which is like layers of skincare on my face, with Maybelline Fit Me powder. Then I'm gonna do my brows with Benefit Ka Brow. I'm gonna basically fill them. Next thing I'm gonna do is curl my lashes, not applying any mascara. And apply this favorite lipstick of mine, which is Maybelline Lip Gradation. I think it's in the shade Coral. Then I am gonna struggle myself and then do a little bit of hair updo. I generally do this a lot because my hair is mess all the time. Yep, we're done. After this, definitely washing my hands because so much of chemicals. Then I'm heading back to fridge and grab some milk. Basically my breakfast is milk and Khelogg, and you'll see what all. So I'm gonna put that on stove and heat it. So basically prefer medium heat, not too much boiling. After it's heating up, I'm gonna pour that in my favorite bowl. So I'm gonna put my Khelogg. So basically these are honey and almond Kheloggs. So this is my breakfast: 1 egg and Kheloggs. That's it. So after I eat, I generally plan my day. I have this planner from Alicia, and then I plan everything up. I write down the schedule for the next week as well. And so after this, I am gonna eat my Kheloggs, which is not that hot. Now we are back to our workshop, which is basically my workspace where I generally work here. So the videos you see are from here itself. So that's it.
So this is my realistic
morning routine. This is what I generally do in the mornings. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment below for any kind of video suggestions that you have for me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye!
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.